Hello, I'm Greg and I'm busting with joy. I've just delivered 3 days of stop motion animation workshops to Boroondara Park Primary School. And I am here in my studio and I am working with these great resources, this wonderful setup with the cameras and the ability to run through the app in live stream on a big TV in front of the class. All it takes is a HDMI out of that computer and then bang, they're just checking out whatever I've got organised for them. It was just a joy. It was really seamless. I'm ready to go. When you guys contact me, it won't take long for me to, well, customise something for your class if you want. You've got a theme that we want to work with, the students are focusing on. Let's work it into the class plan. Within 100 minutes, they'll be full capacity animating and putting Greg on the sideline until, you need me back. So I look forward to hearing from you, I really do. I'm looking forward to it.